Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? We discussed about our lesson 5, plants. In the last video only, I told you, today we are going to start our new lesson. That is our lesson 6, food we eat. What is our lesson name, children? Food we eat. What is food we eat? Yes. Here in this lesson what we are going to learn about the different types of foods, what we are eating, in which way we are eating, all these things we are going to discuss in this topic. Okay. In this food we eat, tell me children, what are the different types of food you are eating? What you are taking as the food? Yes. We are eating the food from plants and also from the animals. We are taking the food from plants, food from plants and food from animals. Food from animals. So today what we are going to discuss about the food that we are eating from plants. Eating from plants. Okay children? Yes. So plants gives us food or not? Plant gives us food or not? Yes. Plants gives us food. So today what we are going to discuss about the food which we are eating from plants. Yes. Food from plants. Plants also gives food for us. Plants gives us food. Plants giving food or not? Yes, plants are giving food for us. Food from plants are very healthy. Food from plants are healthy. Healthy, very healthy. Food from plants what we are taking are very healthy. So and plants from food increases our immunity. Increases our immunity. Immunity means if any germs or anything attacking into your body, it fights against the diseases. That we call it as immunity. Yes, you will not get fever or cough or cold to you. What will happen? You are having a better immunity. Why? Because why we are eating here the food from plants. It develops our immunity. It develops our immunity. So food from plants increases the immunity and it fights against the diseases. It fights against the germs and diseases. So food from plants are having more vitamins and minerals. Yes. What are the different food items which gives you more vitamins and minerals are fresh fruits, vegetables, and some leafy vegetables also. Leafy vegetables also increase our immune system. All of you understand children? So what type of food you have to eat more? The food from the plants which gives you more vitamins and minerals. What are the containing more vitamins and minerals. Examples are fruits, vegetables, and leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables you have to more eat more, and some more vegetables also having more vitamins. So example is leafy vegetable, example is spinach, lettuce are the examples for leafy vegetables. Coming to here, some vegetables which develops your immunity system is carrot, which grows under the ground, carrot. And fruits, different types of fruits we have to eat. What are those? Apple, guava, banana, all these different types of fruits we have to eat. Then it develops our immune system. And plants gives us crops also, food from crops. Food from crops gives you rice and wheat. Rice, wheat, etc. are the food from crops. These are the different types of food from the plants. Food from the plants. Now I will show you the chart regarding this one. Food from plants. Yes, see here the food from plants. How many are there? See children. Yes. The first one is rice, wheat. From the plant only we will get the rice and wheat. These are cereals. We call it as cereals. Cereals. Okay. Food from plants. Here you can observe food from plants. Yes. From plants we will get the rice, wheat. Yes. Coming to here, what is there? Sugar, pepper, chili. Yes, this is red chili, and here it is bay leaf. Yes, children, bay leaf. Next one is oil. Oils also we will get from the plants only. I explained you that is coconut oil. From where we are getting the coconut oil? From coconut tree. And palm oil from palm trees. Olive oil from olive trees. So like that. Next here the vegetables from plants. Spinach, brinjal, carrot, potato, cauliflower. All these are food from plants, vegetables. Next one is the fruits. See here the fruits. Mango, yes, banana, jackfruit, orange, cherry. All these are fruits from the plants. These are also we will use as food. Here the pulses. Here the pulses are there. Bengal gram. Here the Bengal gram and green gram. So these two are pulses. Yes children, these are the different types of food from the plant. So tell me, what are the different food items we are eating from the plants? We are eating the cereals, pulses. Cereals and pulses are nothing but, cereals are nothing but rice and wheat. And pulses are nothing but grain gram, Bengal gram, and so many different types of grams are there. Coming to here, fruits and vegetables. Coming to fruits, so many different types of fruits are there. What are those? Mango, banana, papaya, orange, pineapple. All these are different types of fruits we are taking as a food. Coming to vegetables, leafy vegetables and normal vegetables, cauliflower, carrot, cabbage, brinjal. All these are different types of vegetables we are taking as a food from the plants. Plants gives us so many different types of food. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. Yes, all these we are getting from the plants only. All of you understand children? So these are the different types of food we are getting from the plants. Is there any use we are eating that food from plant? Yes. Food from plants develops our immunity. Yes, fruits, vegetables, all these are develops our immunity, and those will fight against the diseases. So today onwards everyone should eat fruits and fresh vegetables and leafy vegetables to be healthy. Okay, children? Yes. Now we are going to practice the speaking task. Go on, bring your speaking task book, children. Go on, bring your speaking task book. That is your school book. Right, children? Now I am going to explain that speaking task. Yes. What is the speaking task? Speak about. Here, your school book. Go and bring that one. And in that, open page number 36. Here, your lesson 6. Food we eat. Food we eat. So, here the speaking task 1. Speak about food from plants and animals. Today we discussed about the food from plants. Food from plants. So, we are going to practice the speaking task A. Food from plants. Plants. Yes. Plants. Plants give us food. Food. Food from plants is good for health. Next, fruits and vegetables increase our immunity. They have vitamins and minerals. Next, example fruits, leafy vegetables and other vegetables. Next, crops give us cereals and pulses, grains, etc. Yes, this is the speaking task about the food from plants. The food from plants. All of you open your speaking task book, children. Here it is, the food from plant. Now you have to practice along with me. Okay? Yes, food from plants. Plants give us food. Food. Plants give us food. Food from plants is good for health. Food from plants is good for health. Fruits and vegetables increase our immunity. They have vitamins and minerals. They have vitamins and minerals. Example, fruits, leafy vegetables, and other vegetables. Crops give us cereals and pulses, grains, etc. Yes, all of you understand, children. Food from plant. What are the different foods from plant we are getting? Yes, cereals, pulses, grains, vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, all these food items we are getting from the plants, and those food items are very, very healthy and which increases our immunity. Immunity means the ability to fight against the diseases. మనకి డిసీజెస్ కానీ జర్మ్స్ కానీ అటాక్ అయ్యాయి అనుకోండి, మన బాడీ ఆ జర్మ్స్ తోని ఆ డిసీజెస్ తోని ఫైట్ చేస్తుందా? బాగా ఫైట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంక్రీజెస్ అవర్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ. బాగా ఫైట్ చేయలేదు, మనకి ఫీవరు, కోల్డ్, కాఫ్, అస్తమాను వస్తుంది. అంటే మనకేంటి, ఇమ్యూనిటీ సరిగ్గా లేనట్టు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇమ్యూనిటీ సరిగ్గా లేకపోతేనే చాలా డిసీజెస్ వస్తాయి. సో మన ఇమ్యూనిటీ బాగుండాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? We have to eat the food from plants. What should we do? We have to eat the food from plants to increase our immunity. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్లో ఏముంటాయి? విటమిన్స్, మినరల్స్ ఉంటాయి. విటమిన్స్ ఏముంటాయమ్మా? విటమిన్స్, మినరల్స్. ఫుడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ మోర్ విటమిన్స్ అండ్ మినరల్స్. దట్స్ వే ఈ విటమిన్స్, మినరల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టే మన బాడీ ఏం చేస్తుంది? డిసీజెస్తో ఫైట్ చేసే ఎబిలిటీ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో వీ షుడ్ ఈట్ ద ఫుడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లాంట్స్. Understand, children? Again repeat this speaking task along with me. Food from plants. Plants give us food. Plants give us food. Food from plants is Good for health. Health. Fruits and vegetables increase our immunity. They have vitamins and minerals. Example, fruits, leafy vegetables, and other vegetables. Crops give us cereals and pulses, grains, etc. All of you understand, children, about plants from food from plants. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about food from animals. Today what we discussed? Food from plants. All of you understand this one, food from plants. So here the speaking task 1. In that food from plants, you have to practice well and you have to send me the voice message. Okay children? Tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Understand? That is about food from animals we are going to discuss. Practice the speaking task and send me the voice message. That is the homework for you. Okay children? Thank you. Bye bye.